As per the previous weekly outlook, EURUSD continued moving down as a correction to the broader bullish trend. However, the bearish reversal has not formed, and investors might expect the bullish trend to continue. In the weekly EURUSD candlestick pattern, an inverted hammer candlestick formation at the resistance level is seen with a new low formation. As the hammer-driven price action already made a selling pressure, a bullish rebound is possible. In the daily chart, the overall market momentum suggests an upward continuation, as the recent price went sideways at the ascending trendline support. Despite the upbeat US data, investors showed reliability on euro, leading to the volatile trading day before the week closes. The dynamic 20-day EMA is closer to the current price, while the 14-day RSI is neutral at the 50 line. Based on this outlook, a bullish daily close above the 1.10 static level could increase the price towards the 1.12 level. The alternative approach is to wait for a stable bearish break from the channel support and form a consolidation, which could lower the price towards the 1.07 support level.